Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. I am Rina Arpasalo. I am 35 years old. I am married with two kids, 11 and 12 years old. I finished my college degree and took up nursing. I work as a household worker in the Philippines from January 21 and then up to December of 2024 for 3 years and 11 months, and I finished my contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a household worker are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, dishes, ironing, and other household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and an elderly?
By means of giving them a healthy food, cooking, and feeding them. And when they are sick, I will take good care of them.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I finished my nursing degree and I love cooking. I can cook basic Chinese food and Philippine food, and I'm willing to learn more when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, you should be hardworking, you should be fast learner, God-fearing, multitasking, and you should treat your employer good and their children as your own family.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, I promise to finish my 2 years contract and I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and looking forward.